Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about the three important online plagiarism checking websites where you can check your content for plagiarism for free. Okay? So what is the purpose of showing three different plagiarism checking websites? The very first reason is in every free websites you can just check only 1000 words. Okay, so if you want to check for your complete document, for example you are having a 5 pages of document, you cannot directly check, so you have to upload it 1000 words, only 1000 words you can copy and paste it and check for that. If you have three different websites, so you can, if you, for example in your article you have abstract, so that abstract alone you can copy and paste it in one url and click for search for plagiarism, and in another one you can just copy and paste your introduction part, and the next one you can copy and paste your literature review few paragraphs. Okay, that is, this is main thing is like time consuming, you can just consume more time, you can reduce your time consuming. Okay, and check for plagiarism efficient. And another one is you can just cross check. Okay, in one website, because since it's free, right, so you cannot always expect 100% accuracy. In one website it may show you that it's unique, but in another website it will show like at least 1 or 2% of plagiarism is detected. So in that case you can again recheck, cross check it. So that is the important thing why I'm showing you three different plagiarism checking online website. Let's start, like this is a small seotools.com, that is inside that if you go you have a plagiarism checker. Okay, so if you just go to this website you can see a space for copy and paste your text here. I have already copied a text there from Wikipedia, so I'm pasting it here. So once you have pasted, just scroll down, you can see that you can only upload 1000 words. Okay, so if you want to upload more words then you have to pay and go to the pro version. Okay, so here if you get a pro version you can check up to 30,000 words, but let's go with the simple free version, so that is 1,000 words. Okay, and also you have an option called, if you want to upload a document you can upload and see, provided in your document only you should have 1,000 words, but we cannot assure for that, right? So better we can just proceed with this. So just scroll down, you can see that check for I am not a robo, and then check for plagiarism. And once you click for check plagiarisms, then scroll down, you can see that the result will start showing up. So it is progressing, and it will show you how many percentage of plagiarism is detected. It is 100% because exactly I have copied the complete paragraph and pasted here. Okay, and if you click compare, it will also show you from where this sentence might be copied. Okay, so you can see every single sentence from where it has been copied. So that is the another thing which you have to just check for your content. Okay, so I'll tell you what is the problem with a free tool or a free software or even a free online websites, your url. The thing is you will have more advertisements, ads like this. Okay, so that is the one, and you cannot upload more than 1,000 words to check for the plagiarism. And if you have, like, it will not be 100% accurate. Okay, you cannot always assure that it will be accurate, but almost it will be at least a 95 to 98% accuracy will be there. Okay, so this is the one plagiarism checking software, sorry, online website. So next one is the checkplagiarism.com. Okay, check-plagiarism.com. So here also you can search for the plagiarism of your content. In your content, if you have any plagiarism you can search for that. Same thing, just copy and paste your content. So initially it will be like insert your text here. Okay, so you can simply paste it here, and then if you scroll down you can see I'm not a robot, and then click check plagiarism. Okay, once you have clicked here you can just scroll down to see how it is processing. See here it is showing 89% plagiarized and 11% unique, right? But here it shows like 100% plagiarism. That is why I told you to check in at least 2 to 3 websites, so that you will get some confidence. Even because almost in any every universities or few journals, that is Scopus and SCA journals, no, they'll be having a paid version of plagiarism software, okay, to detect the plagiarism. So it'll be like Turnitin or Authenticate. Okay, so what happens there is that software, since it's a paid one, it has ability to easily find out, figure out where did you copy it from. Okay, so for that it is better to cross check with two or more websites so that you will get some confidence and you can just rephrase it. Got it? Okay, so next is we are going to see the plagiarism checker, that is dupli checker. I have heard many times, like most of the UGC CAT journals and some few journals are using dupli checker to check for plagiarism. Okay, almost in every plagiarism online free website you can see that even you have a pro version. And here you can see how many words limit it has. Okay, so I'm just pasting it here. This is for your simple and immediate purpose. Okay, that is if you want to check for the plagiarism immediately without any wait, then you can just go ahead with here this, and then click I'm not a robo, and then check for plagiarism. So if you simply click here check for plagiarism. Okay, okay, 1 minute, I'm just refreshing it again. So because it if it takes like too long time that you haven't opened it for a longer period, then it will show you this error, that is sorry, your session has expired. That is for security purpose, right? So this usually we will have. So you can just go ahead with the duplicate again, and paste your content here, so you can see what is the thing. Like I am not a robot, click here I'm not a robot, and then click for check plagiarism. Now you can see that it started working. Okay, so here you can see that it is scanning for the plagiarism, so how much it has been completed. And then you can also see that it's 100% plagiarism. Okay, so here it's showing like it's 100% plagiarism and 0% unique. So from this you can understand two important thing. One is it is always better to check with two or more websites for plagiarism, and then another one is you can check your document simultaneously in various websites. Okay, so these three plagiarism online websites which I have used for before submitting my papers, and always I'll be using this. But before submitting a thesis, okay, because this cannot be done for thesis, because for every thousand words you have to just copy and paste it here, that is not basically possible. So for that we have to go with the any one paid version. Always I can suggest you, like you can go with the dupli checker and go with the pro version, so that you can have like you can check for the complete thesis at least once. Okay, so this is what for this video. So in the next video I'll upload more regarding the research and how can you reduce your time to do your research, how can you do your research very effectively. And I'm planning to talk about statistical tools which you can use it for your research purpose. Thank you, have a great day, bye bye.